Hi, I'm Caleb. I'm with Multi-Mount. Multi-Mount is the universal mount that allows you to install large format keypad readers or any single gang box style reader to aluminum storefront frames. Let's take a look at the product. So this is a brief overview of Multi-Mount. Multi-Mount is made out of aluminum, so it makes it extremely strong. It also is anodized to prevent corrosion and rust, really give it a long life in the field. It comes in two colors, standard aluminum and dark bronze. If you look at the front, we have our self-adjusting slide with our screws that come with it, which gives you the ability to adjust to any frame as you're out in the field needing to self-adjust and install. It comes prepackaged with every screw and self-tapping screw that you'll need to have a successful install. So now that you're familiar with the product, let's go and see application in the field. Okay, so let's go over assembly. You'll need a 5/32 and a 5/64 Allen wrench. You'll need the bag of screws that is supplied with the kit, the front plate, and the back block. Start by removing the screws. You can separate the self-tapping screws, as you won't need those at the moment. Put your big head Allen wrench screws. If you'd like to go ahead and install the small Allen wrench screws so you don't lose them, you can. Otherwise, set them to the side as well. Taking your 5/32 Allen wrench, take your big screws, put them into the back plate, back block, and tighten down until they stop. They will stop on their own. And they stop, leaving you room to adjust. When you're ready to tighten, turn very tight and strong, and it will stop from moving, but it will also cause the screw to not back out long term. So now that we're put together and assembled, let's go install. All right, so now we're at install. We've already cut away our frame just to speed up things and pre-drilled our holes. This is not required, but if you do need, just simply slide your multi-mount in place, mark, and cut with a grinder. Today we're going to be installing the Isonus reader, keypad reader on this frame. So let's take a closer look at exactly how we install this. Okay, here at the full install, we've already pulled our Cat 6 and our pigtail for our Isonus reader. Isonus requires the larger cutout because of the style. Most installs, you can just cut a simple hole and slide your pigtail through. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take multi-mount, putting it back into place, taking my drill with my self-tapping screw, till it stops, second screw, till it stops, all right. Taking my large Allen wrench, I'm going to go ahead and tighten down. I've pulled the back block into place and pulled. Sometimes I like to pull forward on it as I put in, but you don't have to do that. So we're going to push in, tighten. All right, so now completely tight on the back. Also from the inside looking out, Multi-Mount has a really clean look. We're going to take Isonus's plate, back plate, and put it on. A lot of readers have a plastic back plate. This one in particular is metal, but these screws will fit most of them. The ones that it doesn't fit, they usually come with their own screws, and they will fit as well. Some of them need to be cut down a little bit, but the holes are set to a single gang box screw type. So we'll go ahead and get our smaller screws in. I'm going to tighten all the way down. Hook our reader up. Slide Isonus down into place. And as you can see, we fully installed an Isonus reader. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.